Imagine you have an amazing story or a video idea, but you don't have the right images to bring it to life. What if I told you Canva can actually generate those images for you using just a simple text prompt? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning images for your stories, your videos, and any project you want. So, let's get started. Open Canva and go to Canva AI. When the new window opens, click on Image. Now, to keep the same character consistent across all your images, add a reference image first. Once you've added the reference image, paste your image prompt right here. And Canva AI will use it as a visual reference when generating your image. Within just a few seconds, your images will be ready. Canva will generate multiple image variations for you to choose from. If you want to download an image directly, click on this icon. You can also click on Edit to open the image in a separate window, where you can make additional changes. And once you're satisfied with the result, click on Share and select Download to save the image. Now, repeat the same process for the remaining images in your story. For each scene, add the reference image and enter your prompt. This will help keep your character consistent throughout the entire story.